Alright, so step one to cleaning your driveway. We put down a pre-treatment solution which is going to kill and loosen up any mildew, algae, or dirt down in the pores of your concrete. What we'll then do is fire up our high-powered surface cleaner, which is this yellow rotating disc you can see in the video. And we'll start at the bottom apron of your driveway, working our way up. That way, the water constantly rinses the dirt and mildew down off the driveway as we proceed up the driveway. Alrighty, so now that the surface cleaning has been completed, the next step is to rinse. So starting at the garage door and front porch area, we rinse off your garage door and the walls around it, just in case any of the dirty water had splattered up. We don't want to leave that behind. So again, the garage door area, the front porch area, the front door, all gets rinsed down all the way to the street. This driveway was pretty thick. There's a lot of dirt and a lot of mildew that came up, and a customer is going to be very, very happy with this one. Okay, now that the concrete has been rinsed, our final step is going to be to post-treat the concrete. This is going to provide a longer lasting and brighter clean for the final product of your driveway. We include the post-treatment in every driveway and concrete cleaning that we do. If you have any questions or you'd like to jump on our schedule, give me a call or text at 407-499-3735 or visit us at www.cflpowerwash.com. Thank you and look forward to servicing you soon.